Woo! This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals in the house, guys. Wow, what an amazing day. Wow, the cryptos are crashing. Things are going crazy. I'm sure a lot of my YouTubers out there, a lot of my YouTube family out there, you guys are panicking. You guys are like, what's going on? You guys woke up and you saw this crypto bloodbath, and it's amazing, guys. So we're going to talk about why this is happening, what you can be doing. We're going to talk about some other news. There's been a nefarious infiltration, and it looks like 12, like a whole ton of Bitcoin has been siphoned off an exchange. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of things, guys. So guys, don't panic. Please don't panic. I know a lot of you are probably panicking. Remember, watch this video to the end. I'm going to tell you exactly what you should be doing, how you should be doing, and how you can protect your assets. And is this the end? Is this the end of the crypto? Is this the end of the crypto bull run, guys? Is this it? Are we going to go to the crypto winter? Are we going down? Is it time to get your winter coats on, your hats and your scarves? Is it time, guys? Is it time? Is $50,000 the second top? Is it the second top of the bull run? Is that it? The old coins are going to go down to nothing? Is Doge going down to 10 cents? Guys, you've got to watch this video to the end. This is huge. And guys, remember, this video is not financial advice, guys. It's absolutely not financial advice. This is just the OG expressing an opinion. And this video is for educational purposes only, guys. So remember that in the house, guys. So let's get into it. Let's jump into content. And remember, don't forget to go down there right now. Go down there. Smash the likes. And subscribe. Okay, guys. So let's jump into it. So we can see right now that the pre-markets in the US now are looking really bad, guys. We got the Dow is down. The S&P is down. Everything is down. We got crypto down. Crypto is down. So why is this happening? Well, there's a whole bunch of stuff that's happening right now. We've got this whole China Evergrande group, and this group is about to collapse. And this group is huge. One of the biggest groups in China that deals with real estate, housing, loans. They've got a ton of commercial paper out there. Also, the USTD apparently have some paper with these guys too. So if this collapses, this could be huge. This could be hugely bad for USTD, guys. So this is what everybody's worried about. And this is like the housing loan crisis that's in America, but this is for China. So this is going to have a huge domino effect. And that's one of the things why Wall Street is panicking, because when it opens, all the Chinese ETFs and other Chinese-related funds that are on the Dow and S&P, they're going to absolutely tank, guys, and that's going to take the whole markets down with it, guys. So it's not looking good, and that's why we're seeing the cryptos down. This panic and fear. Also, we've got the infrastructure bill that's coming out. It's going to be passed on the 27th. And we're going to talk about a small little clause in the infrastructure bill that they're sneaking it in. And it means that if you receive crypto over $10,000 and you don't report it, you could go to jail for 5 years. It's considered a felony. Can you believe it? And nobody's talking about this. And they seem to have snuck this in there, guys. So that's one of the reasons we're seeing crypto down. Also, too, we can see that the whales have picked up about a ton of Bitcoin, and I believe that also on Mondays the whales often manipulate the markets, drive the price down, and we're seeing the whales just like gobbling up the Bitcoin like crazy now. They're gobbling. So guys, don't panic. This is not time to panic, guys. So let's jump into some other news right now. So we talked about this whole Bitcoin loses, and Bitcoin right now is going down. And, it's because of this whole Evergrande thing. And, I think China's either going to bail them out or they're just going to let them die. And, a lot of people now, they're having a fire sale. So a lot of their properties, a lot of their land, a lot of their assets, they're selling off cheap, guys. So also, too, you could also see that in China, there's a bit of a sell-off of crypto because people want to, get rid of their crypto, load up on fiat so they can go and pick up all this property that's, going on sale now because of the Evergrande collapse, guys. So I don't think that the Chinese government, they're going to allow this thing to have a huge impact on their economy. They may just bail Evergrande out. So what about crypto? What should you guys be doing for crypto? Well, my advice is, guys, don't panic. The absolute bull run is not over. This is just a hiccup. This is just a Debbie Downer moment. It's a hiccup. And by next week, this is all going to be washed out. It's all going to be washed out, guys. So, the markets are reacting. We got mainstream media blowing this thing out of proportion. And quite frankly, if you look at the total market cap of Evergrande and compare it to the Lehman Brothers 2008 housing crisis, it's only like, about 2 to 3 billion. So it's really a nothing burger in the whole scheme of things. Some people are saying, oh, this is going to be the catalyst that's going to send the world into global panic, global recession. No, it's not that big of a catalyst. And because if you go back to the chart, guys, this is not something new. Look, the stock has been collapsing for over a year, guys. If we go back 1 year, you can see it's been collapsing for a year. So it's not like this was not foreseen or not forthcoming. So I don't think it's a big thing, guys. Don't panic, guys. And the other thing that I talked about is the Federal Reserve is to offer clues on stimulus taper timeline. So that every month that the Fed is buying a huge amount of bonds, a huge amount of stocks to throw more money into the financial system to shore up the banks and shore up the financial institutions. So they're kind of like doing that, but now they're going to taper that off. I think it's like $1 billion every month, or 1.2 billion. So they're tapering that off. So that's also having a reaction, guys. So here's also some big news. The U.S. infrastructure bill provision may force crypto users to report USD 10K plus transfers. So according to this regulation right here, amendment in a much discussed infrastructure bill passed by the U.S. Senate last month could see a broad range of crypto users facing up to 5 years in prison for receiving digital assets if it's not reported correctly. So, and this statute was and it only applies to U.S. citizens, okay? So if you're not a U.S. citizen, you're okay. So, and this Proof Stake of Alliance, which is kind of a nonprofit supporting the crypto, supporting us, we love you guys. They argue that the statute creating felony crimes for digital assets users merits an open debate instead of being quietly included in the pending bill. So you can see that the Fed, they snuck this in there. They snuck it in there. And this proposal amendment is section 60501 states, in a broad range scenarios, any person who receives over $10,000 in digital assets must verify the sender's personal information, including social security number, and sign and submit a report to the government within 15 days. Failure to comply results in mandatory fines that can see a felony up to 5 years in jail. OMG. And this whole law goes back to 1984 when I think it was I think it was George Bush who came out with this thing. And this was like during, when we had all this, drug trafficking stuff, and they wanted to stop people from doing cash transactions over $10,000. So it was really to stop the drug cartels. So that's why they made this law, right? So they're trying to apply this, 1984 archaic law to crypto. I mean, are they insane in the membrane? What's going on over there? It's crazy. So, and nobody really picked up on this, and they're trying to sneak this one in, guys. So, send a letter to your congressman because, if you receive $10,000 from, let's say, you have one exchange and you transfer it to yourself, maybe you could be liable, okay? So it's crazy in the membrane. So that's what's going on. Some other stuff that's going on right now. Dormant Bitcoin wallet with 29 million after 8.8 years just went undormant. So this crypto wallet, basically an old wallet was $7,000. So they invested like $7,000 almost like 9 years ago. It's now worth $29 million. Can you believe it? That's like a 4,500% increase in 29 years. So some Bitcoiners are concerned that the holder may be planning to dump the coin. That's a no-brainer. if they dump the coins, it's not going to have any impact, have zero impact. Nada, nada, nada. It won't be an impacted at all, so it's a nothing burger. So can you imagine? But it looks like this dormant address has woken up, guys, containing 616 Bitcoin. And it looks like someone's about to cash out, guys. Someone's about to cash out big time. So maybe they're also running scared because this Evergrande, China collapsed. China's collapsing. So you see all the headline, China collapsing, China collapsing. It's the end of China. No, it's not. This is just it's a nothing burger. People are overreacting in the space. And because of that, we're seeing a lot of retail panicking right now. And I know that the whales are just sitting on the lines, sitting on the sidelines, and they're just going, looks like we're getting some cheap coins. Looks like the paper hands are just like wetting the bed and losing their stuff right now. So the whales are going to snap up your coins. Guys, don't feed the whales. Don't feed the whales. Don't have paper hands, guys. Just hodl, hodl, hodl. So what should you be doing? What should you be doing right now? Should you be selling? No. Should you be hodling? Yes. And if you've got coins on the sideline, guys, now is a good time to go bargain hunting. Go bargain hunting right now. Go bargain hunting right now. This is a good time to pick up. A lot of stuff's on sale, guys. So let's jump into the charts right now. Let's start with Doge. So right now, Doge is trading at 20.2078. And, we're well below this line here. So this needs to become resistance here. So this was support. We had support around about 2061. So right now we are just above that. So we just moved above that. So I need to change that back to green, guys. All right. So it looks like we're painting a little bit of green. So hopefully Doge will get itself back up to 22 cents. So, this could be really a nothing burger. By next week, I think we'll be back up again. Everything will be washed out. So let's just keep an eye on it. This is really more retail. This is retail panic. This is retail panic. I guarantee you this is just retail panic. Is the OG in the house? Am I panicking? No. I'm kind of laughing a little bit. But here's a scary thing. We have the 21-day EMA right here. So we need to stay above that or else it's very bearish. We could break down. So it looks like right now we're exactly, let me zoom that up. Let me zoom it up so we can just, so it looks like we're just a smidge below it if I look at my chart. So don't panic just yet. But if we cannot stay above the 21-day EMA, and we get rejected on a 1 week time frame. It has to be 1 week, guys. So right now I would say no, it's not a rejection. We're still above it. But if we go below the 21-day EMA on a weekly time frame, we're in big trouble, guys. Big trouble. So far it's okay. But we're getting danger close. We're getting danger close, guys. Danger close. So if you look at the Bitcoin price right now, it's trading at $43,680. $43,680. And you can see here that we went all the way up when we had this huge flash crash. Then we had a higher low, another higher low. Then we try to recover it a little bit. So, but once again, we broke down again and we kept all the way down. So this is not good. When you have higher lows, you want to have, we have lower highs. We want to have higher lows. So we're kind of going up in the other direction. So this whole pattern looks like it's a huge breakdown on the 4-hour time frame. So keep an eye on that. And right now we have some support around about 42,000. So if we can stay above 42,000, then I think we can bounce back up out of that. If not, if we collapse between below 42,000, then it's done as a donut. And we're going down to 37,000, that's for sure. So just keep an eye on things right now. We had this whole bull flag was looking pretty good until we had this whole Evergrande explosion, the China meltdown, and we've gone down considerably today. So we're going to jump into some more tails. So it's not looking good right now. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance right now. It's at 42.41. That's where we absolutely don't want to be there, guys. It's not looking good. If we look at the rainbow chart right now, let me just give this a minty refresh. Minty refresh in the house. So we can still see that the rainbow chart right now is we're still in the hodl mode, but we're ticking down a little bit to still cheap area. So like I said, this is a good time to be buying the dip. So if you got money on the sidelines, this is not time to be cashing out, guys. Absolutely not time to be cashing out. The fear and greed is at 50, guys, so don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Ethereum in the house is broken right down, guys. Ethereum is not looking good right now. We can see that, let me just change that to resistance. So right now we can see that Ethereum is at $3,000, guys. Exactly $3,000. So this is actually should be green. It's actually support right now. So we're at $3,000. $3,000. Wow. So if we cannot stay above $3,000, then we're definitely going to go down to around about 2,800-ish area. And I did say previously that we would be going down to 2,800, and I did say previously that we would close the month around about 2,800, and we could see a $43,000 Bitcoin worst case scenario. I did say that, guys. I did absolutely say that. Go back and watch my videos if you don't believe me. I did say that. So right now, let's take a look at the gas fees. The gas fees are extremely cheapy. Right now, the gas fees are only like $8, guys. So that's super cheap, and the Uniswap is $24. So if you have any ERC tokens and you want to start switching them to other tokens on Uniswap, now's a good day to do it because the fees are super low. All right, guys. So some other news. Let's take a look at Cardano in the house. Cardano has, it broke down. It went as low today. Cardano in the house went as low as $1.97. And I told you that we could definitely break down between the $2. This is kind of like my line in the sand at $2. So right now we're trading at $2.07. So it's going to be pretty iffy. Hopefully we can keep above the $2 line. Just keep an eye on that. If we can't keep above the $2 line, then our next target would be about $1.80. That would be where we're breaking down next, guys. So with that being said, let's take a look at. So you can see Solana in the house has broken down below my $141 line in the sand. So, this is not looking good for Solana. Let me just change that to support level to red. So Solana is not looking pretty good. So Solana has support around $108. So we could see Solana breaking down to $108 worst case scenario. So you guys need to keep an eye on Solana. So let's see what happens, guys. I mean, I'm sure glad that yesterday I sold 50% of my Solana at $170. So I'm pretty happy. And I bought one Bitcoin. I call my Bitcoin Charles. But my Bitcoin Charles is not doing very good. I bought it around about 47,000. So it's down right now. So let's take a look at Avalanche in the house. So Avalanche, wow. Avalanche has dropped 14% and is trading at $59.93. So these are huge times, great times to buy the dips, guys. Absolutely buy the dips. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So guys, let's take a look at the markets right now. So wow, the market cap has dropped again. It's at 1.95 trillion. It was at 2.02 trillion earlier. And our total volume right now is 97.15 billion. And our Bitcoin dominance is 41.84. Wow, it's not looking good right now. This is a huge dumpity dump. So we can see right now that Bitcoin is trading at $43,449. That's down 8.4%. Ethereum is just above 3,000. That's down 10.14%. And ADA is down 11.28%, guys, and that's at $2.08. BNB is at $368, and that's now down 9.74%. Solana is down 14%, and that's $137. DOT is down. It's at 28.91, guys, and that's down 14.35%. And Doge is at 28.208, and that's down almost 12%. So it's not looking good. But guys, there's a lot of opportunities. Luna is on sale, guys. Link is on sale. Algorand is on sale. Matic is on sale. So there's a lot of coins that are on sale. So what can you be doing? Go bargain hunting. Do it right now, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me. Follow me on Twitter. Do it right now, guys. Follow me on Twitter. Definitely do it. We've got 2,271 followers. Follow. And guys, don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, baby. And guys, go to my description of every video and check out my link. It's not financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict. Right now, guys. Subscribe. You definitely need to watch this music. It's going to make you relax, chill out, find your soul, guys. Definitely you got to do it. Find your soul. And guys, go to Patreon. support the channel, become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee, guys. Do it right now. Buy the channel a coffee. And guys, don't forget to go to my merch. We got tons of merch, guys. We've got hats. We got hoodies. We got all sorts of stuff. We even got non-clothing items. Get the mug, guys. Get the backpack, and get the pillow, willow. So guys, I just want to say, don't panic out there. Keep calm. Don't panic. Sell. Buy the dips. Dippity dips. Buy the dippy dip. You got the double dip today because everything's on sale. Buy the dips. Go bargain hunting. Don't sell a thing, guys. Diamond hands. I love you guys. Be blessed. Be well. Woo! This is the OG in the house. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next one. I'm on fire. I'm so excited. It's a great time to be alive, guys. Woo!